Hey everyone, in this video I'll show you how to take down the fourth chorus. Stay aggressive, jump and hit the boss in the head whenever you can to deal the most damage and finish the fight faster. You'll need to learn two attacks. If it swings with its lower hand, just jump. If the upper hands come down, move to the other side and keep the pressure on. Now I took him down the first time. And now with the second time, with Femin Stone's fall, stay aggressive but don't lose your focus. Keep damaging the boss while watching the falling rocks at the same time. It's all about balancing offense with quick reactions. And the fight follows the same pattern, so keep the pressure on, jump, hit the head, dodge the attacks, and repeat. If you stay aggressive without getting greedy, you will bring the fourth chorus down much more quickly. This is the second time. I should take him down the third time. Stay focused and be and you should have an attention to the stones. No, third time. So it's good. This is the third time. After you've knocked the boss down 3 times, the final phase begins. Keep hitting him very aggressively. He didn't want to come down. I don't know what is happening here. What is happening? I'm sorry, I didn't notice the waves. I should claim them and destroy the 2 flames, one on each side. I think like that I can take him down. Yes, this is the first one. Let's go to the next one. It's very close. And now it's the second one. It's good. Hope this helped. If it did, leave a like, subscribe for more Silksong guides, and thanks for watching.